Hi guys, this week we do a little bit of work outside the boat. Windscreen wiper arms. Silly little job, but they've been on there for 30 years and they are corroded solid. So we have to get down to a bit of grinding. Another job for today is with a Dremel. I'm going to cut this wiper arm off. It's 30-year-old, it's been on there for 30 years and it will not shift, so we're going to have to cut it off because it needs replacing. And if they've got two wiper arms up at the chandlery, I'll do this one as well. So we're going to have an attempt at cutting this wiper arm off. Got a little Dremel to try and cut can't break it away from the splines. So the problem with the Carver is that there's quite a deep peak and the windscreen is well swept back. And you just can't reach or get any purchase on to remove the cap, and the cap is well and truly corroded in place. You've got dissimilar metals, aluminium on a brass spindle, and the two have just stuck together. And for a little fella like me, it's a hell of a bloody reach to get up there. Working in a really confined space, and of course, I'm scared to death of breaking that windscreen. Better. We've got it broken away from the splines. I've just got to get it off here now. Wow. Yeah. Yes. So there were the splines. They were corroded on. And we had to cut through, and little pin there was corroded in. And so after a little trip to the shop, we've got a new arm. That's all. Got that set up now, ready to go on. So it's just going to need a little bit of persuasion. Oh yeah, a little spray. And roughly in the right spot there. These are better because these are held on with grub screws. I'll just use a little Jeremy Clarkson tool. Persuade it down, it sounds like it's solid. That is much better there. Can we get at the grub screws? I can get at one. Let's tighten that down. There we are, that's on. That's on, all done. So there we are, new wiper arm on. Just need to give this screen a wash and then we'll test it. This is Naburn Lock on the downstream side. A little bit of high water, I think tide's in. So the locks are flooded. Don't think there's any chance of us getting through. So this is the waiting pontoon. That is normally down at weir bottom level. Wow. So this is the top of the lock, which is at the same level as the bottom of the lock. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to see more cruising on Evergrace.